got engaged! Woo! Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel. Today I'm here with my mom and we are going to be doing some unboxing. So what we're going to be unboxing today are these little erasers, and you can take them apart and rebuild them. So we're going to show you the ones we already got to see if we'll get any duplicates. But that's what we're going to be doing today. Okay, so these are the ones that we already got, and we're going to see if we get any duplicates. So you pick one, I pick one, you pick one, I pick one. They weren't out yet, Mom.
I want this one.
Okay.
I want a cheeseburger.
You want a cheeseburger? Don't open them yet.
Well, come on, hurry.
Okay. I want this one. You pick one. I'll pick this one. Okay. So we can do our first ones. So it has, I believe, 5 in each pack. Yes, 5 in each pack.
Oh, we open them.
Oh, I got a peach. That's so cute. Okay, so I got this little peach eraser. It is so cute. What is that? Ooh. My mom got this. I don't know what it is, but that's cool. I think this is going to be my favorite out of like all of them. I love that.
We should have got scissors. Can't you pause it?
You don't need scissors.
I think we do need scissors.
Mom, look. They have these things.
Oh, that was easy. Oh, cheeseburger.
She got her cheeseburger to match her fries. That's the one you wanted. I got this cupcake. We do have a cupcake already, but this one has white icing. Oh my gosh, we got the same. We got 2 of those cupcakes. Oh my gosh, look. I think we got the same pack. We did.
Peach.
Wait, Mom. Hold on. Just wait. Because, okay, we each got cupcakes. We each got a cheeseburger. And we each got peaches. So, which one does that feel like? So these will have the exact same in it. Oh no, look, this is the one you got. So that means that one we have the same of. A sushi. Yep. So now we have sushis to go with our other sushi. Okay, so that's all for that box. Now on to the next box. I want those bananas. Okay. We got these green cupcakes again.
What's the matter? You got a banana. Oh, yes. You got the banana.
I got the ones I wanted, the little bananas. That's awesome. That's what I wanted.
Ooh.
Ooh.
Oh, you have that one.
That's okay. You can have one. The duplicates, I have one and you have one. Okay, so I got a cupcake with pink icing. We don't have this one yet, and this one's a chocolate cupcake. So she got a duplicate pack, but that is okay, because now you get one and I get one. I got another sushi, so now we have these sushis. She got a strawberry. That's not a sushi. Where'd the other one go? And this.
This is a donut.
Yeah, it's going to be a pink or brown one. Mom.
Hot dog. Oh, that's the best pack ever.
I got a little hot dog. Why does it have lettuce?
Oh no, that's meat.
Okay. And I got a yellow and purple cupcake. our last box. Okay, we have one of these, but this is ice cream. We do have one of them.
Burger.
You really wanted those, though.
I know, but that means that this is all the same. We
That's
already have
okay.
these.
I got another one of those sushis.
Cupcake.
I got a pink donut.
Sushi.
I got this cake. And
Peach.
how did you get another peach? But what's wrong? Where's the thing for it?
It's not in. Well, it is in there, but it probably fell off.
Put it back on.
Put it back on. I don't think it puts back
Yeah,
on.
does it? Or no? You broke it.
I didn't break it.
And I got French fries. We're just gonna have a French fry and burger
Wait.
piece.
This is the last one.
Okay.
Candy.
So these are all the erasers that we got. My favorite is the peach and the banana. What's your favorite?
I'm going to say the banana and the hot dog.
Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like, and share this video. Bye.